lovely group of young ladies are the William Blount High School dance team, which Amber and I coach. And they're going to be getting this party started with the first fun kind of dance this evening. Enjoy. I'm going to try to join them. If I fall on my face, please don't take pictures. Thanks.
Let's get the camera.
I'm there.
Just watch